So we're going to carry on building our life, and this contents I'm going to build in my life again. I'm looking forward to work and engage, and I'm really pleased. Everyone I meet offer me help, and they very happy to have a coffee. I'm so grateful. Everybody say, please call me and let's go to have a coffee, because I haven't feel alone. I feel engaged with life, but obviously I have my angel with me, so maybe it helped me as well. And to be strong, it's not to find my recovering. So in terms of carry on building a new life,